Today let's learn how to fix can't share on Facebook. When you try to share something that you like on your Facebook, but however Facebook does not allow you to share it, in this case there could be a few reasons to that. Now if you like some kind of post and you're trying to share it, you just need to tap on the share icon. And there are a few places that you can share to. Either you can add it to your story, or you can add it to your feed or your profile, or you can also share it to different groups and send it on Messenger. Now if neither of these options are working for you, this may be because there is simply a glitch or a bug in Facebook. So what you can do in this case is uninstall your Facebook app. So just uninstall the app of Facebook from your device, and once it has been uninstalled, again download the application. This is gonna do two things. It is gonna give you the latest version of Facebook, which will also help you in clearing out any bugs, and uninstalling the application will help you in clearing out glitches that is in your device. So once you uninstall and install, you again need to log into your Facebook and try out the same process, and by then you should be able to share on your Facebook. Now the other thing that can also happen, if the creator of this post or the person that shared this post has not allowed the share option. So for example, as you can see in this post, there is no option of share, and instead there is only an option called send. This is because the person or the creator who posted this picture or this post has not allowed that option. In this case, you cannot do anything about it. If it is a picture, you can take a screenshot of it, or if it is a video, you can screen record it. That is the only thing that you can do if you want to share it to your own profile on Facebook. So that was the video on how to fix can't share on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily videos just like this.